thing is, Curly doesn't know how much pain she caused people. And yeah, if you want to cause people pain, Curly doesn't want nobody to talk about her. She wants to talk and she wants to drag people and come out now. And I must to tell you people, listen, and I'm saying this with no apology. I believe every word that Queen Bee said. Now, here's what I want to break down to you all. I'm telling you, I'm not here to take up for none of them, but I'm going to split the justice. Remember, at no time did Queen Bee, she only buy cakes, and Queen Bee buy cakes through an agent, a sales rep that sell cakes for the lady. And we know who Queen Bee was. We know who she was. Now, the lady introduced Curly to us as selling cakes for her. She promoted Curly business. So I would say they're acquaintance, because Curly said they're acquaintance, and at least they sit at table and they eat, they do business transaction together and so. So when I listen to Curly saying that she has voice note and recording maybe of Jennifer, that won't help, because guess what? To be honest, we know who Queen Bee was. And if you're gonna have those voice note and you sit down and you did not stop Queen Bee, then you are even more dangerous than her. And those will be all voice note from how much ears, so that it never make, so it doesn't bother make sense you put them out. It doesn't bother make sense you put them out. The danger part about it, you went to somewhere to eat, and I'm not going to talk about the part about the baby. You went somewhere to eat, or what? The facts remain, you should be acquaintance, you should be business partner. You should not be talking, and this is what I tell you, you should not be bad mouthing. You have to take the blame. You should not be, Queen Bee did entitled to say anything because she did not like the lady, but you should not be entertaining her. You should not be bad to sit down and listen to her. You should have done something from that. So in other words, and remember, she was not there. She came to your party and she know the lady. She was not there, so it must be what you tell her. And if you did not tell her, which I must tell you, I believe every word that comes from Queen Bee's mouth. If you never tell her, if she put on tail pan it or tax, she couldn't put it on. She could not put it on. You are to be blamed. You is the one that dragged. You are the one that let her become this type of person. Because she did not say anything bad in her life. She always defend you. She always condone in your wrong. She always support you. The one that let social media, she is not the one. Yes, it's family from your, because the lady, it's family from your ex-man or baby father, whosoever the man, but it's not her. It's not her. Because you have her up from that. You should not be entertaining her, so you should not have no voice note. Keep the voice note them in there, because we know already. We don't want to hear anything else. personally I because I say, are you going to put out, are you going to this, are you going to that? Because you, why? Why and the lady didn't do anything? You always come out on social media even when they play. You always, because a lot of uno run go friend the woman thinking that uno could be famous or millionaire like her. Because every day, famous people, you ever see Kim Kardashian, everybody, famous people not for talk to them famous. Famous people not have to talk to them famous. So all you're wrong and accept you're wrong and go on because you come out come trouble her. You come out because the thing is I don't understand how you want to talk about the lady. You talk about the lady till the lady put on her frock, her dress, the lady buy her dress. You gonna buy belly band and something and come out here and flap yourself. How you are sure how to put on dress? How you for sure she how to put on dress? We all understand that yes, sometimes you put on your clothes. So how you sure her how to dress? Why you for sure how to put on dress? And the dress are all the belly band and the belly something where you have and your belly stick, the front not fit you. It was the same thing that you have done with the late Miss Richie funeral. Sit down on your couch and wait and you put it on and go. And then this is the thing. When people do, you say them ridicule it or whatever, ridicule you, whatever the word is, what then do you? Because you have one word. You see where you come to. Now you met this lady and I saw a post with Queen Bee. And I'm going to tell this. I am not even going to tell Queen Bee because I never tell Queen Bee to start. So I'm not going to tell her when to stop. I not tell her when to start because I never tell Queen Bee when to start. Period. Queen Bee says she coming back with video because you want to say it's lie and she know what you tell her say. She said she coming up back with video, so maybe Queen Bee is streaming right as we talk now. I'm not going to tell her when to stop because to be honest, a full time now for your stop. Full time now for your let go off for the woman's shirt. The woman can't do anything. The woman cannot do anything. Everything the woman do is a problem to you. Everything. The same winter they used to say she talk to you. Can't more than when winter carry you. Winter carry you. Pay up her money and carry you. Go on a trip and tell her say go on home and sit down. You come home right on your life. You never take out something. You come home, come start cussing lady. Winter was so disappointed in you. We tell you it's not good. It's not good for your health. You look what you cast now. One dirty disgrace for you. One dirty disgrace for you. All them are same thing you want to fling out. One dirty now you go come say, listen, it doesn't matter whether your baby father talk to her or not. She said for her stepfather, that would be the man when married or have an affair with her mother from she must be 9 and your man related. And that she say. And that she say. If you look for the trouble, when you are gonna stop and you not stop, and she gonna do more video there, and nobody not tell her to stop. This is one fire woman not tap because I never tell you no when to start. I never tell you when to start. Mother, all when me say it don't look good on your side. All when you go come out and say, cause we know already say she never like a lady. She talk and she never like the lady, but then she say changes and she like and same thing. That is what she talk and she support the lady. And the lady even come out and go and tell her thanks. So that for sure you say. That for sure you not say. And everybody like how she dey come out now, come talk, and you know, so she go come out, come. As remember say, she dey come out, ya talk, cause we couldn't didn't know, say, you, cause bad to bad, Winter never tell me that, me not tell her like pana. We couldn't didn't know, say, you didn't have problems, and as same like how she said, as same way so it go. We couldn't didn't know, so now you gonna make him come out, ya come dash out more sin thing pan you. You not tired? You not tired? You not tired? How you do it? Me not even did all know at today me all know say the man, the people and husband picture where you there with reach out past social. Boy, me don't know what I don't know is what's wrong with you, you me love. You look like you're not going to the right church or you're not praying right just because every time something not only you want. Every time something happen only for you one can a worm can come out. You know must tired now see you know. Jennifer out you know they go get loud. And I'm tell you say I not tell Jennifer to stop because I never tell Jennifer to start and you fi behave your damn self. I feel she tired of you know. Cause that's how we Taurus people stay by bad to bad. You look how long you depend. You come out here, you cuss a woman, you disgrace the woman. One night time you say enough to call your name, and you talk up and you disgrace her, you this and you that and you accuse her. And now see then now she come out and she just swing left, right and center now. It look like say you want draw in red flag and you know say she not done, you know. You not forget nothing and she not done. So no turn out the one who most tired and drop out of the ring and I curly as far as me say. And you have to go drop out of the ring and white flag because they say Jennifer look like she coming hard because they say see they already Jennifer shake up social media because me never know say me never all the while me could have did swear say it won't no did there with some of a family but I never normally Jennifer and the man was Jennifer can be no so no related into something one know no one another for how long now you get to understand say a Jennifer stepfather related to the man the prison man there. Why I don't know what is the problem. All then the same thing there to them all hear them here same thing you say all the little boy down there and you there out here then near man a galang all a near man night and you do ever send $110. You not stay focused. You don't know. You make disgrace come take you up on social media. I don't know if you don't tired of disgrace. I how you love disgrace so. Lord Jesus, Queen Bee left one. Me don't me go over there go look what Queen Bee say. I know me know this there. I don't know who going to tell Queen and I don't even think because I can tell you something. I may go say this with no apology. Cause I don't know me carry my memories. I walk with my memories. Even with this that is going on now, the funny thing is you know, say, you see, she come out and she ready for defend Tina, and she ready for take side with Tina and this and that. You would have never see Tina come out here, because let me tell you something, If Tina girl, I don't like you turning there, because if Tina ever come in here, cause let me tell you, I can tell you about Jennifer, because me and her is the same sign person. We might not have the same character, but I know what she will do because I know what I will do. You see, if Tina ever put out, this is the thing. You see, Jennifer Avan a don't care mode. Now she's into a don't care mode. So you see, whatsoever, and there's nobody to talk to Jennifer. Meaning that Tina is not gonna say anything because at this moment, Tina is busy watching how to see how the lady is gonna bake. She Tina nervous. From Tina years so the lady I go bake Tina nervous. Now I don't want to call her name for no harm, but from the day when you remember when the same way so TV page and Curly came out, even that was a devious lie. When Tina had said it was Lorraine who owned the page, Curly came out and said, no, it's not Tina page. The person is a mother and a daughter. And I guess when Tina said the page was Lorraine, when they were saying Tina said she didn't come out and say nothing. She actually came out and defended Tina's story. And I think Lorraine, based on what, because normally you would, I think Lorraine is gonna, so there's nobody now to say, look, and I am not gonna come on here and play no hypocrite, because I'm gonna be fair. I do not like to take away people wrong and give them right. Take away them right and give them wrong. I'm not gonna even tell Jennifer to stop. If Curly want, which I don't even gonna waste time and tell her to stop, because she will not stop. At about 2 times I came out and do a live. Good night, Queen. About 2 times I came out, I did a live. I talked to Curly from a sister. She did not hear. Now the real truth is coming out. They have you, and the one that I feel sorry for is the son. I really feel sorry because of his mother nasty, dirty, stinking action. His son, because Jennifer is in a don't care mood, while nobody is there to say, okay, wanna stop it. Everybody want. Let me tell you, it doesn't important to me. It doesn't important to me whether they continue or they stop. It's not important to me. But everybody wants to see, everybody wants to see the down throw and the overthrow, and that's what Jennifer is doing. Because guess what? And I am not gonna blame her. I am not gonna blame Jennifer, because I'm gonna be fair here. Everybody have all right to defend themselves. And she was the one who came out and attacked the woman more than one time. She attacked her. So everybody, good night. Everybody have all right to defend themselves. And I am not going to say, oh, gonna stop it. Jennifer did not stop it. Curly want it and Curly get it. It is just so sad, because let me tell you something. If Jennifer should come out and Curly will be done for, because there are things that she out here saying that she's big deal, and Jennifer is gonna come out and talk. You see how Jennifer come this morning and Curly get panic already? You see how Jamaican Queen Bee come this morning already and Curly get panic? This is when you go around and you pick every buckle. You know what this remind me? Tina and I. You see how Tina did there on social media until you see now Queen Bee thumb Curly in her back. Long time she's doing a trouble the woman. Long time when he ready, mash up with the woman and cuss the lady, and you see now you cannot take it, and nobody. And I am not gonna play hypocrite and tell Queen Bee to stop. Me nah be hypocrite and tell Queen Bee to stop. Because I say she look for it, so she get it. It is just, if only Queen Bee could take the sun out of it. The sun out of it. If only Queen Bee could take the sun out of it, and then Queen Bee, even more people is gonna drag in, because the ladies them over there, all the one in here marry where they go at the yard with the man in daughter, and gonna have curly food. Gonna have curly food, the man in daughter. So you see now, that's when I have to believe even the story about with the food eating out and the craving, because remember that lady when Curly have had the gala Marry, Marcia and her daughter stayed at Curly house, and Curly say Marcia and his daughter name out the food. Because this is the thing, Curly only wants she alone for eat, Curly only wants she alone for eat. Curly no want nobody else to eat. You never tap at this. You see your trouble. Your trouble till you come in. I see the wrong one. Your trouble till you trouble the right somebody. Me no know if you no shame. Me no know if you no shame. When you go stop, when you go all me tell you, avoid people come out, everything you do. Every time you get the people them living work, nobody not have to know if you're not the people them living work. Nobody not have to know how much time people call your workplace. You're not learning. Avoid you and her, what avoid her, leave her alone. But no, you're not here. See it now? Bangarang. See it now? She not done. Can nobody know if it tell her if it done. Every blogger I rejoice. Me, as me tell her, say it doesn't matter to me. It does not matter to me. But everybody I rejoice the downfall. All of some of them was say they never did like Queen Bee. No, they like Queen Bee. And see all of your business and everything Queen Bee they go come out here with. And as me tell her, I don't think she tell no lie. Cause from day one, everything when she come out on you was always true. Cause when she come out and say you get the notice and you get a courthouse and you can't pay your rent and the truth till they evict you. So that was the thing. You don't even try pay up the people them rent and make them not evict you. Everything, every single thing where the woman say it is true. Whether you did see the little boy there and remember to get it talk about Marcia and the food, you need to tap it, you need to tap chat people. You chat people too much. You need, that was the same thing with you and the lady at Jamaica. You depends, you chat people too much. Everybody chat people. You have to turn a chance and everybody you have to chat. I know everybody you have to chat. You chat people too much. We pay attention, pay focus every day you depend. Every God Almighty day pay fat. You do the people them work, everybody have to know. You the little say every soul have to know. She can always come for me. Do you think I care? Do at the first she come for me? She can't come for me, my love. Did not the first she come out there, nothing that she tell me. You never know when that she cuss me and tell me about me picking them and sitting. I don't care what Curly wants. I made a chat. Curly too enough. She could have come out, she could have did talk. I don't think she can come for me after the battery because anyone come for me, everything when time mixy share out thing there. Anytime mixy share out Queen me share it on my page. I make sure listen to it because that's all she was walking around and hearing Jennifer. I don't think she can come for me after when time Jennifer will be putting out her truth out there. Because Jennifer is going to angle bangle, Queen Bee is going to angle bangle her out here. I not feel an argument that I talk my truth. The same way she no want nobody talk about she no want she want talk. You know what I mean? What she dangerous? Look pan talk it truth. When I body shame people come and I like the body shaming because woman all of me know what me was like Olive one at a time. Olive na Popeye. After when you start have you know so some of we know say as a mother and baby fat and ill mental from the family, so we put on the few extra pound and some people cannot afford to go underneath the knife and some people don't want to go underneath the knife like myself who decide to look here so me come and so me I go alright, it's my body transforming. Yes, it's my body transforming. So therefore she come out and to be honest with her body shame, but we know that the lady there at Jamaica look better than her. This woman have her big old barrel in front of her and she every day and the woman have water in her knee and the woman this and she sit down and she wish and see and then look she fear her health no good. Fear her health no good. Everything with the woman do she do. She see the woman keep her girl and her something them she can't afford it. She want keep one too. Then him go fair one other thing me tell no people I must say snack so first come first serve. So you know say she you have the food on the better I want to full on the belly before no go in the yard. All sort of something that woman them love. That the woman and with Jennifer say because all along when me know quite a few, me know about from the late friend and quite a few as people where she go all of them yard got on a Jamaica and the people them say she never give them nothing yet all year. She owe the people them and I brought the people them money so me don't know about it. But all of me know say me a look, me not rejoice because me not really like when time people and people tear away not that way. And as me tell her say me never tell Jennifer to charge no fire. So me not telling Queen Bee to cease no fire. Me never tell Curly if I come out here come trouble Queen Bee. Me tell Curly if I stop already and she not stop. Me not waste my time. The two of them, but the two of them, me I go tell you, one of them must tired and one of them must either one of them I go tired and stop or one I go get knocked out. But for as far as me say Queen Bee position herself and as me tell her say Queen Bee is telling the truth. You know why me believe so she tell the truth? She did come out here with the eviction and it was true. Me say true that even that Curly would have did pay up people and rent and make it look like she did come out here with the eviction and and at the end of the day, as I say, I go say it again before me leave. We all know Queen Bee never hide. It's a Queen Bee wasn't a fan of the lady. And Queen Bee used to talk and do her things, but at the end of the day, when she did come like that she's an acquaintance. Curly did make it look like that she's an acquaintance and she's a friend and she sit down and eat with the lady. And remember, differently from the party, Queen Bee was not at the eating. Queen Bee don't know what go on, so as she carry the woman business go to Queen Bee, and Queen Bee knowing that Queen Bee is not a fan of the woman. This is how me look upon it, you know. Knowing that Queen Bee wasn't a fan of the lady and as she carried, and if she and the lady was acquaintance, like what she said, she should have never done on phone with Queen Bee Alice to not no bad, but not bad. Me I go give you an example. The other day, as I know, say, I go say me good. One of the blogger them when me promote did have a disagreement with another blogger, and I personally would give the blogger when me share out the wrong. And let me tell you something. You see, when the people them come, I never feel good and something. So you see as them come at me say no. Bloom, me not entertain nobody where I go talk, because even though me give the blogger the wrong, that not say at that moment me I go tear down the blogger. At that not say at that moment me I go want to see the blogger fail. That not say at that moment me I go want to know that's some mistake. When if you're interested in somebody and you're not supposed to entertain nobody, you tear them down. Period. You're not supposed to entertain nobody if you tear them down. You're not supposed to interested in nobody at talk about them. A whole heap of things where you do. You're not supposed to do that. Period. You want somebody was friend, and if you want somebody was friend and you no friend no more, you go about your business, them go about for them, you no go on separate ways. You're not supposed to depend on nobody 365 days if the person keep an event. If the person this, you're not supposed to do that, and that's just what you are getting back. And then you say people don't leave you alone. You keep on. The other day you come out say you go sue and you go this and you that. Support you said it, this is the funny thing. You depend live. You said the lady can't sue you, but you can't sue nobody neither, because you are getting back a taste of your own medicine. That's why you have to look on. That's what you have to look for. You are wrong. You are very wrong. You should leave these things all alone. You're selling, you're doing your little thing. You should do your thing and move on. Life goes on. Every day you come out on the woman and see no food. Your night time you say you go see how people see how you them are exposed, you know. See, you know, because all, to be honest, you see, if we never did believe the part about the part where the child get the wrong father, no, we are going to believe, no. No, we they go believe, because no, we are going to put, because Jennifer was closer to the family, Queen Bee closer to the family than what we think, because all along, I think it was the two owner, let's say like two, some like the two, like the two owner did have the enough here. Well, Miss, Francia 9, the man her stepfather. So they know you gonna come, no one come make it look pretty, and I come say the man don't have to talk to her. The man doesn't have to talk to her for she know what she know. Cause all along you did see how she carried out on social media about the little boy. But now all of a sudden when she come out and say how close you and her is, and put up the puzzle, because we know you and I had something, but we didn't know that you was that close. Now you go ball out now, so the man don't talk to her. Oh, you know the man don't talk to her. So now that same man they me hear you there on the phone, did that tell you, the young lady at Jamaica say, oh, the man lend you money for start business. Listen to me, not tie up yourself out, yeah.